Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 inches best 30-inch gas cooktop is Fotile 30-inch gas cooktop. With a 21,000 BTU high output tri-ring center burner for boiling, searing, pan frying, and stir frying, two 13,000 BTU left burners with optional griddle control, and two dedicated simmer burners with 3,000 and 6,000 BTUs delivering consistent and accurate low heat for delicate cuisines, the Fotile GLS 30501 culinary grade cooktop is ideal for cooking in a variety of styles. Every burner unit has a safety feature that cuts off the gas supply immediately when the flame goes out, preventing gas leaks and potential fire hazards. Edge-to-edge heavy cast iron grates, wok support attachments for simple pans and pots movement, 1-second fast ignition system, heat-resistant knobs, installation kit, and LP conversion kit are all included in the 304 food-grade stainless steel surface and durable parts. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in our side is Frigidaire FGGC 3047 QS Gallery 30-inch cooktop. This 30-inch gas range is of excellent quality and dependability. This range has 4 sealed top burners with a combined output of 18,000 BTU, which is a respectable output for the price. This is also a real convection oven, which ensures uniform heat distribution and is a feature that most bakers will appreciate. It's made of smudge-proof stainless steel that's not only long-lasting but also easy to clean thanks to its exceptional fingerprint resistance. In this collection, you'll find some essential productivity features. It offers a one-touch keep warm mode on the touch panel that keeps food warm in the oven until it's time to reheat it. You can also add a minute to the timer with a single tap. Third in our best 30-inch gas cooktop list is Empava 30 inches gas stove cooktop. Empava 30 inches gas stove cooktop comes with professional style burners, superior build quality, and a high-performance fan. Along with its 4 burners, which have a combined performance of 41,000 BTU. In terms of construction, this gas range has a sturdy stainless steel primary structure. It has a blue porcelain oven interior for healthful, contaminant-free cooking. To make cleanup easier, a black porcelain drip pan is installed on the cooktop. In addition, controller knobs that are illuminated for visibility make operation easier. If you enjoy baking, this gas cooktop is ideal for you because it features an industrial convection fan that ensures even cooking. Our fourth pick is Gasland Chef Pro 30 inches gas cooktop. Premium quality, performance, and versatility are the qualities that make Gasland Chef Pro the best freestanding 30-inch gas cooktop on our list. It allows you to choose a convenient operating height between 20 inches and 30 inches. This feature is great when you want your gas cooktop to sit flush with the adjacent countertops. Its heavy-duty construction, which features a heavy-gauge, corrosion-resistant stainless steel build. It also has a smudge-resistant finish for easy cleaning. Last in this list is Frigidaire 30-inch gas cooktop. The Frigidaire FPGC 3077 RS Professional 30-inch gas cooktop with griddle lets you cook a variety of dishes at the same time with ease. Our durable, continuous cast iron grates allow you to slide a variety of heavy pots and pans across burners. Plus, they're dishwasher safe so you can cleaning is easy. The Power Plus burner delivers a strong performance, every time with 200 BTU so you can boil, sear, and sauté with power. With the Precision Pro controls you can prepare a range of dishes with precision, whether you're simmering, sautéing, searing or boiling. Prepare a range of dishes with precision, whether you're simmering, sautéing, searing or boiling. Our durable, continuous cast iron grates allow you to slide a variety of heavy pots and pans across burners. Great material cast iron, cooktop finish and knob color stainless steel.